Meigs County Railroad here with you today, Wednesday the 18th. We're in Sweetwater, Tennessee. I got me a pretty nice little shady spot set up here waiting on a train to come by. Let's see if we can see what that says. About 88 degrees, but there's a breeze blowing occasionally. I heard the scanner go off a minute ago, so maybe we'll be getting a train here in just a few minutes. I hope. It's getting hot out here. I'm getting tired of hearing these rednecks with their loud diesel trucks and their boom boom cars. This is Sweetwater you're looking at right here. Kind of a one-street town. We got an old passenger car down there. Some of the windows are busted out and they're just using it for storage right now. But maybe they're gonna restore it one of these days. Got a little depot right over there. I'm gonna explore it one of these days. We got cars stopping on the crossing when the red light turns red. That's stupid. That's about par for the course around here, I reckon. So we'll just sit here and listen, wait for a train. There ought to be one through here directly. And while we're waiting, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you hadn't done already. Let's build this channel up. I gotta drive 20 miles to the closest railroad track. There's none in Meigs County. So we'll just hit the pause and wait for the train. Stay tuned. Okay, we got a northbound Norfolk Southern coming right through Sweetwater. Right there. Some auto racks. Wow, that's got some graffiti on it. Boxcar. That looks like a rolling billboard. There's some coal cars with the steel coils in them. I got several of them on my model railroad at home. Oh, a double DPU. Double DPU, how about that, friends and neighbors? Right here on YouTubio. rebar looks like. Brand new car, GATX. There's the end of the train. Well, that was kind of all of a sudden. I don't know why they needed a DPE for that. There you go, friends and neighbors. Sweetwater, Tennessee. Northbound Norfolk Southern. Right here on Meigs County Railroad. Be sure and like and subscribe and share. And tell me that you like it. Tell me that you don't like it. We'll see you next time. Stay tuned.